Today we're doing an unboxing. I'm going to see what's in these. By the thumbnail you'll probably see what they are. We'll see if we've got a bargain and see what we can do with them. Okay. See what this is? Just a receipt. It's a very, very small box. Size comparison. Here's my polystyrene block with my spare bulbs in, and the box is only just slightly bigger. I don't know why, but this reminds me of an old box of fireworks. So these are golden cup decoration lights. There is a stamp on there, but I can't understand what it says. Lovely artwork, lovely original condition. There's some particulars on there. Not much else. Right, let's open them up. Wow, they're really delicate. It's unusual to see them with translucent plastic. They're usually opaque. That cable is really, really thin. Very thin. I mean, I have some opaque flower lights and the gauge is very, very similar. It is the same gauge. Later style translucent green is a lot thicker. Not by much, but it is thicker. We'll get a plug put on it. Turn these round, and I'm putting the dimmer plug on all the way down. So let's see how we do. Nothing. We have power. We've got lots of spares, which is good. Oh, that could be an issue. That is just sellotape. Delightful. Let's do a head count. Oh, we've got more. We've got more sellotape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I lost 2 bulb holders on this set. Okay, let's get them out as carefully as possible. I wanted to see if we could get them going in the box, but I don't think that's going to happen today. I'm getting them all out of the box so we can work with them, especially with 2 bulb holders missing. That is not good. Okay, I need to rewire the set because it's live all the way to the end. I won't be a second. Okay, that's that done. Oh, I don't know what I touched, but they just fixed themselves. Okay, turn them up a bit. That's for power, far too bright. It's gonna risk a cascade failure, so we'll turn them down. Okay, so we've got this luminous green, which is an unusual colour for such an old set of lights. And this is a pifco shade, which isn't as luminous. So these luminous green shades must have been going for a long time. Got this delicate little red. We've got a glorious original style purple. You will not see many purple bulbs anymore. This green in a blue shade. Got this pink. Oh. Got a yellow. The yellows are like a fluorescent and the greens are like a fluorescent. Unfortunately, I am not going to be using this set of lights because it's far too dangerous. This is the only set of this kind I have. I don't have any spares. I don't think it'd be fair to start putting mismatched bulb holder shades on here. The set is dangerous. It's got sellotape on it. It's got bulb holders missing. So I think what we're just going to end up doing is using it for spare bulbs, unfortunately. I know that's not really what we do on this channel. We always try and save the lights, but this is a mess. It's only going to be able to run 18 bulb holders and run off a dimmer plug, but I'll keep the set in its box, but it's not going to be able to be used again. I think it's just a little bit beyond repair. Yes, I could add bulb holders to it, but yeah, it'll kind of just ruin the set. And we've got one potentially blown bulb. We'll do a test of that one in a minute. And it's a shame really, because they've got these lovely little arrowhead club design on the bulb holders. Very unique. But look how close that cable is, which is live to coming out the bottom. It's not good. We'll turn it down on the dimmer plug and we'll unplug it. Make it safe. See if this bulb is actually blown. No, the bulb actually works, so that is a faulty bulb holder. Yet another reason to not use them. Let's see what these spares are like. Got a white one, works. Yellow, works. It's so bent it doesn't even roll. Green for the bin. Another green. Works, as you can see. But look at that blackness. A yellow. Oh, that's super bright. 6 volt. A pink, I think, or a red. Got this purple, which is very faded and gone brown. Got a red. And another 6 volt green with a crooked little nipple on top. So we've ended up with a load of spare bulbs, which we were desperate for, but it's a shame it's got to come from such a unique set, because again, I liked the look of them. I had a tree in mind that I wanted to put them on. But if you're a collector, things like this happen. The reason for the bulb holders completely being removed will probably be because the cables have come out the bottom of them, because they don't have any cable grip protection. And if it's happened twice on this set already, then it's potentially going to happen again. And unless you remove every single one of the bulb bases out of the shades, resolder all of the wires and add new replacement bulb holders on the missing ones, the set's never going to run again. I wouldn't feel safe with these lights on. But we gave them one last go. They ran one last time. There's the other one that's missing. And they'll go back in their box. They'll go with all the other boxes in the collection, and they will be kept for posterity. Potentially the first time I've had to do that to a set of lights on this channel. We've saved a lot of lights. A lot of lights that were just useless, worthless, bin worthy. But we got them going again, fixed them, repaired them, tidied them. The fruits will not go to waste. This purple was a bonus. You do not get purple bulbs anymore. We've got 26 spare bulbs that are going to be graciously needed for other sets of lights. There's not even a fuse bulb in this set. So that's where we're going to end this one, on a little bit of a downer, but we gave it a go. If you haven't already, check out our Instagram. We have an Instagram page, vintagechristmaslightsuk_. We already had photographs of these lights on there. Didn't spoil that it was a new acquisition. We're doing a complete dump of our photo archive on there, so follow along on there if you want to see all the old pictures of lights that we've got. It's going to take about 4,000 years to release them all, but we're doing a release every Friday, Saturday and Sunday of a different set of lights at the archive in alphabetical order. Some of the initial ones might not seem alphabetical, it's just that they were listed with the number of lights at the beginning first, so like 20, 30, 35, etc. If you want to go and have some more in-depth conversations, we have a Reddit. Again, it's Vintage Christmas Lights UK, and we'll catch you on the next one.